The fourth H stands for humble heart. Luke chapter 2 verses 51 to 52, then Jesus went down to Nazareth with Mary and Joseph and was obedient to them. But his mother treasured all these things in her heart. And Jesus grew in wisdom, in stature, and in favor with God and men. Pagtaglay natin ang apat na itong katangian ng ating puso na hinahanap ng Diyos, mayroon tayong tinatawag na power, the power of love. Pakinggan natin. So the fourth H stands for humble heart. Mababang kalooban. Iyan ang example na ipinakita sa atin ng Panginoong Kristo. Ayon sa aklat ng mga kawikaan, humility and the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, wealth, and honor. Diyan nagsisimula ang karunungan na galing sa Diyos, kayamanan na hindi naubos, na may taglay na karangalan.